Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome to this new video. Today we are leaving the Isle of Man a day earlier than originally planned. We were meant to leave tomorrow, but we have changed the booking. We're now leaving today, which is Friday. The plan today is Douglas to Heysham, drive up to Cernran and get the boat across the Larne, and then drive from Larne to Bishopscourt for Ulstersuperbike meeting this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So that is the plan today. We've just boarded on to the Ben McCree and waiting to take off. So we made it here to Bishopscourt. It was a long drive last night. Just parked up really last night and then got it this morning and the boys set up. Bikes are through scrutiny. So this is Steve's yellow 400. This is one of two. And then there's the trusty's Aylex 6 as well. So weather is looking okay at the minute, but it's forecast for heavy rain at 10 o'clock. So we'll be getting wets ready to go into the bikes because it's going to rain all day by the looks of it. So that's the end of the practice here at Bishopscourt for Steve. Not great all around. We chose to go out on with a wet front, and it wasn't the right choice. So on the 600, so yeah, that wasn't great. And then on the 400, we had transponder, so we only got one time lap. We're about P7, I think. So yeah, it looks like the rain's going to come on now between now and August. That's the rain on. Be on the rest of the day, more than likely. Superbikes just went out for the practice qualifying. I think it has been red flagged due to the weather, so I'd say that's the rain on for the rest of the day. Time now to change back into wets. So the rain did come in. It was pretty heavy, but it's off now. Track is fully wet, which is good. No half and a half. Superbikes are out now for their session. Yeah, they had a few goes at the session, but it was a few red flags. Don't know whether it was just incidents or the rain, but they're out now and going well. So we have a race before lunchtime on the 600, so the wets are in. So the sidecars have just been out and finished their practice session. They've called lunch. There was meant to be 3 races before lunch, but due to delays and stuff, I think they've just called lunch now. So we're the 3rd race then after lunch. and we're back to back, so 600 race straight into the 400 race. So it'll be hard on Stephen and be hard on us boys running back and forth, but yeah, it's going to be busy after lunch, and then probably have an hour or two to relax, and then see him again later in the afternoon. 600 race followed by a 400 race, and then that'll wrap us up for Saturday, and then it'll be basically the same again tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow's a bit drier. The rain is still on in here, but we'd rather it fully wet than in between intermediate conditions. So as long as the track's wet or fully dry. So the rain has come back just after lunch break there. They've cancelled all the second races for today, so everyone's going to get one race with increased laps. So instead of getting 7 laps, I think we're getting 2 warm-up laps on a 10-lap race, and then the 2 races tomorrow, which is scheduled. So Cycar boys were saying there's a lot of standing water up around the top corner, so that rain's not going to help anything. So yeah, we'll see what happens, you know. I think we got about 2 laps there in the 600 race before the flag came out. So on the grid, waiting for the restart. Don't know where the accident was, so just hopefully everything's okay and we get going soon enough. 600 race finished, Steve finished P13 at the restart. That's a good result considering he qualified 25th. So high in the holding area for the 400 race, coming straight up after. Well, after standing in the holding area for 20 minutes, getting soaked that through, they have delayed it by 30 minutes. So 30-minute delay, go get a cup of tea and hopefully restart. Looks like it is brightening up. The rain is still falling a bit. They said after the 600 race, a lot of land water around the back, so that's probably the issue here. So hopefully we'll get going in 30 minutes or so. So after the warm-up lap on the 400, she has dropped the valve, unfortunately. So that's us down a 400 4 weeks before the Manx Grand Prix, and the other 400's still in getting rebuilt. So it's going to be a busy couple of weeks for us. Trying to get the 400 sorted. Yeah, just dropped the cylinder. Sounded like it was just off a cylinder. Took a fuel tank off it, air filter off it, and you can see the damage. Bishopscourt. It's a nice Sunday. After last night's mishap, we only have one bike today for Steve then, so 2 600 races right before lunch and then right at the end of the day. So that's all we've got for today. The weather is looking a lot more promising today than it was yesterday. Blue skies, which is good to see. So yeah, just wait around all day now for one race, or 2 races, but to wait up until lunchtime to get out. So yeah, the trains will be going back in, and yeah, then we'll get ready for a 12-lap race, I think it is. So that's the bike ready to go. Just What's Superbike race here? Just Lynn won it from Mike Brown and Johnny Campbell in third. It's the bike ready to go for our race before lunch. The weather's a lot better than yesterday, but rain is forecast for around 12 o'clock, so hopefully we'll get away with it before the rain comes.
Going to get the whole job and then just sit there and away he goes. Makes the net.
600 race finished. Steve finished 19th. He got improved on his lap time a good bit from yesterday, so he's happy enough. Caught the group in front of him and started making passes, just ran out of time. So yeah, now the rain's on, so it's time to make a call whether to go home or not. So we'll see what happens. So the second Superbike race is just about to start, and it is just had a massive downpour. The track is absolutely soaking. So that's us done for the day. So we'll watch the Superbike race and then we'll start packing up. Signatures got for the manx, and yeah, it is quite wet out there now, so we'll see how this race goes.
Stay with him, just stay with him.
Right
on the way.
What is this, 10 up? It'd be 12. Is it? But they'll probably show that again.
Go on, you boy, go on, kid!
1 minute 13. You're still 1 second short of there. That's fucking bad.
One boy.
That's the big race finish. Mike Brown won it by a few seconds in the end. After the first few laps, he just kept getting faster and faster. No one could match the pace of him, so fair play to him. So that's us finished here at Bishopscourt. Just leaving now. It's been a long week on the road. Yeah, so ones that dropped the valve yesterday, and we got the earlier 600 race done. Improved our lap times, which is good for Steve. But decided not to go out in the last race. It's going to be wet. And the last thing we need is to throw the bike down the road and in a meaningless race basically before the mic. So we're happy with the weekend really. Got the signature that we needed, or the 2 signatures we needed, and hit the road home. So that's the end of this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel and like this video as well, and until next time, I'll see you.